Good morning, you all, my dear children. I am going to teach you about the chapter 3 of your chemistry. That one is electrochemistry. As the name indicates, electrochemistry. What is electrochemistry? That is the branch of chemistry which deals with the chemical changes takes place due to electricity. In this chapter, I am going to discuss first of all electrochemical cell. What is electrochemical cell? The arrangement which produces electricity by using chemical reaction. Means by the use of chemical reaction, production of electricity is called electrochemical cell. The device, the arrangement which produces electricity by using chemical reaction is called electrochemical cell. This are of various types. That one is galvanic cell, or you can say voltaic cell. This is a common type of electrochemical cell which we have already read in class 11th, galvanic cell. In this galvanic cell, there are anode and cathode, means two electrodes are present. What is anode? What is cathode? Anode is that electrode at which oxidation takes place. Cathode is that electrode at which reduction takes place. We can learn it about the cathode and anode by this simple word. Cathode, reduction, anode, oxidation. Crow. Cathode is that electrode at which reduction takes place. Anode is that electrode at which oxidation takes place. In each galvanic cell or voltaic cell, there is an anode and a cathode. They are present within the same vessel or they are separated like this. Anode is another half cell in which oxidation takes place. Oxidation half cell is anode and reduction half cell is called cathode. Like this. These anode and cathode are connected together by a U-shaped tube. That one is known as what? Salt bridge. You know about this in class 11th. Salt bridge. Salt bridge is the connection between these two electrodes. These two half cells. Salt bridge. This one is anode, this one is cathode. Here a metal rod is placed in its salt solution. Here also another metal rod is present in its salt solution. In a normal voltaic cell or galvanic cell, this one is zinc metal present in zinc ion solution, and this one is copper metal present in copper ion solution. These two electrodes are connected together by galvanometer. What is galvanometer? Galvanometer indicates the flow of current. Anode is negative potential and cathode is positive potential. Keep in mind, anode may be positive, anode may be negative, cathode may be positive, cathode may be negative. In another type of cell, that one is electrolytic cell. It is another type of cell. Here anode is positive and cathode is negative. But here in this case, galvanic cell or voltaic cell, anode is negative and cathode is positive. You know that electrons always flow from negative to positive. Electrons always flow from negative terminal to positive terminal, from here to here. But this is the flow of electron. But the direction of flow of current is opposite to that of electrons. Means current flows from positive terminal to negative terminal. This is the salt bridge which contains inert electrolyte, gelatin, etc., which completes the circuit. This is the construction of a general voltaic cell or galvanic cell. Here, the reactions takes place within this cell. Means cell reactions taking place in this, we can write like this: cell reactions at anode. What takes place at anode? At this point, anode, this one is cathode. At anode, zinc is oxidized to Zn2 plus. Zinc solid is oxidized to Zn2 plus aqueous by loss of 2 electrons. At cathode, copper is reduced to Cu ion is reduced to Cu2 plus aqueous plus 2 electron gets formed Cu solid. On adding these two reactions, these two half equations, we get 2 electron gets cancelled. Zn solid, Cu2 plus aqueous, Zn2 plus aqueous plus Cu solid. This is the complete cell reaction which takes place within this. This is the construction of cell and this is the cell reaction takes place within it. Okay? This is about the electrochemical cell. In my next lecture, I will continue about more things. Okay, thank you.